I tried chewing just one clove every day for 7 days, and I didn't expect these small changes. No supplements, no extreme routine, just a tiny spice sitting in your kitchen. Here's what I personally noticed. 1. Fresher mouth feeling. Right from day 1, chewing clove gave a strong, fresh sensation in the mouth. Clean feeling after meals, long-lasting freshness, and a natural spicy aroma. 2. More light feeling after meals. During the week, I noticed I didn't feel as heavy after eating. More comfortable after meals, less sluggish feeling, a simple, light body sensation. 3. Daily oral freshness routine. It slowly became part of my routine. A morning freshness habit, cleaner mouth feeling, and natural breath support feeling. 4. Small morning wake-up effect. Chewing a clove in the morning gave a quick wake-up sensation. I felt more alert, and it helped start the day fresh. A simple, natural boost feeling. 5. A mindful 7-day habit. By the end, it felt more like a small wellness ritual. A simple daily habit, a moment of mindfulness, and easy to stay consistent. So, to recap, after 7 days of chewing cloves daily, I personally noticed a fresher mouth feeling, a lighter post-meal experience, a simple oral freshness habit, a morning wake-up sensation, and a more mindful daily routine. This is just my personal experience with a natural spice. Cloves are commonly used in food and traditional practices, but everyone's body is different, so results may vary.